have our M760VL hanging cosmetic case. Your monogram will go here, centered on the front flap. Slide the unzipped bag onto a 6.5 by 5 inch slimline clamp frame centered between the edges of the front flap. Rotate your monogram 180 degrees. Measure to ensure that it is straight. Use our custom centering jig to confirm center. Trace the sewing area to ensure the monogram fits inside of the frame. Now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. One of my favorite embroidery tools that we offer is our lightweight thread clippers by Ginger. They have sharp points for a close snip, stainless steel blades, and are easy for lefties to use. It includes a safety cap with a loop to attach to a lanyard. Our custom centering jigs can be purchased individually as well as a set of 4. These jigs are helpful tools to have when using hoop-type clamp frames on a variety of our products. We only use MagnaGlide bobbins here at WB. Their patented magnetic core create a consistent delivery throughout the entire bobbin. No more interruptions for tension adjustments as your bobbin gets smaller. When your sew is complete, remove the item from the frame. There you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.